demonstrate the potential and the opportunities of the technology automated driving. But each show car has a different focus. The Audi Skysphere is a two-seater and is designed and engineered for grand touring. So this car can transform in only a few seconds from an autonomous lounge, so a huge interior space without a steering wheel, into only a few seconds into a sports car. The Audi Urbansphere is all about first-class traveling, with a focus on the first row, not the second row. And the Audi Urbansphere is designed for an urban environment. It's a six-seater with a focus on the second row. The three show cars are representing in perfection the next level of our design language. That means our design language is becoming very reduced with floating lines, but on the other hand, very muscular, because we want to visualize always quattro. Talking about interior, the three show cars are representing in perfection and demonstrating in perfection how the interior will change in an Audi in the future. The interior is becoming, next to your working and living space, a kind of a third space. The main idea behind these three show cars are that we want to visualize the potential of the progressive technology automated driving level 4. That means you can drive these show cars by yourself, or these three cars can transform only in a few seconds into an automated driving lounge. And we want to visualize all the opportunities around this technology.